How can I help you?
Oh, hello. I was just wondering if you had any pamphlets or brochures that recommended any must-see sites in the area.
Of course, we do. But maybe I could offer you some suggestions personally as well. What are your interests?
Well, I'm here with my wife and kids. They're 8 and 10 years old, so we're looking for something family-friendly to do.
Then I would definitely recommend checking out the zoo. It's open every day between 8 a.m. and 4 p.m. There's also a fantastic rainforest-themed restaurant inside the zoo that I'm sure the kids will love.
Wow, that sounds great. Well, what's the best way to get there from here?
Our hotel can arrange a taxi service for you, or you can catch bus number 21. It's a block down the road from our hotel, and that will take you straight to the zoo.
Great. Okay, and I have one more question for you. Our flight leaves really early on Monday morning. Could you schedule a wake-up call for our room?
Yeah, no problem. What time should we call?
5 a.m. should do it. Thank you.
Of course. Here's our hotel card. If you need anything else, don't be afraid to ask.